Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use anti-weapons rules for Warhammer Age of Sigmar 4.0. And to do this, first you will need to have the unit that has anti, and then there's a specific keyword, then there's +1 or etc. And now you will need to check the enemy word scrolls and look at their keywords. So for example, let's say that those Stormcasts right here have the anti-infantry. That one means they could use this ability on any infantry keyword or etc. So there could be hero, monster, and anything else. And what it does, it adds 1 or any other number that is visible on that rule to the rend. So if they would have +1 rend, then the liberators would make a 2 rend instead of 1 when attacking infantry, as I mentioned in the beginning. And they don't have this rule, I'm just making it up for the purpose of this video. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.